Hi, welcome to NonnasHere. This is a very special day. It is the Dollar Tree Train Fall into Fall and Halloween. I'm Nonna, and this is my very special guest host. Say your name. Layton, our 4-year-old granddaughter, and she's going to help me today. Now, this is a collab of our favorite store. What's our favorite store? Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Our host is Miss Jackie Russell. And I also want to give a special shout out to Miss Tracy from Tracy and Chloe's Unboxing Beauty and More, because she is the one who does all our technical and creative design of our great thumbnail and trailer. We really appreciate her lending her technical and creative design talent to us for doing that. Also to Michelle from Wavy Like an Ocean, who took pictures from Dollar Tree to help us do the trailer. So thank you to those. Now there are 14 of us in this collab, 13 others plus NonnasHere, and there are a few rules you have that apply to all of us. This collab will close on Sunday, October 14th, and mine will close at noon on the 14th. You have to watch everyone's video. You have to comment on everyone's video. And if you want to enter their giveaway, everyone will have a giveaway. You have to use their secret word or password. And Layton's going to tell you our secret word in just a minute. Now, we went to Dollar Tree and bought 8 to 10 items to show you. And my giveaway will be all the items that I got at Dollar Tree. So pay a close attention. This giveaway is all the items from Dollar Tree that I got, and that will be my giveaway. Also, you have to be publicly subscribed to everyone's channel, and if you're not sure how to do that, Mary Catherine Loves Cats, who's one of the participants, has a video on how to be publicly subscribed. So you have to be publicly subscribed to everyone's channel, watch everyone's video, comment on everyone's video. If you want to enter their giveaway, include in your comment their secret word or phrase, and that's about it. All the other rules will be listed down below. This has nothing to do with Dollar Tree or YouTube. This is our own giveaway for you, our viewers. We bought all of these items with our own money. And again, it will close on October 14th on Sunday, and mine will close at noon. All right, so let me show you what we have gotten. Also, you're supposed to rate our items that we got from 1 to 10. 1 if you wouldn't have bought any of these things. 5 if you think it's kind of mediocre. And 10 if you like the items that we bought. Okay. So we are ready. Sienna's up here trying to help. All right, Layton, can you hand me, the first item here, okay? So the first item that I got, now I got all things for fall. And the first thing I got are 2 of these lovely dish towels with the pumpkins, okay? And they've got white, orange, and blue pumpkins on them. And they are decorated on both sides, and there's 2 of them. So that's my first 2 items, all right? 2 dish towels, and they have the words thankful on them. So you would be able to use these from now until way past Thanksgiving. Okay, the next 2 things that I got are 2 mitts, oven mitts, and they match the tea towels, the dish towels. So they have the orange, blue, and white pumpkins, orange on the back, and there are 2 matching of those. though those are items 3 and 4. The next item I got is the dish drying mat. These are great to put beside your sink and lay out for when you rinse out your dishes and are washing your dishes. And of course, they match the dish towels and the oven mats.
Nonna, they're falling apart.
That's okay. And they have the blue, orange, and white pumpkins. This is the dish drying mat. So that's item number 5. All of these items cost $1.25. Then I got 2 beautiful placemats. And once again, they match everything else with the orange, blue, and white pumpkins. Now you could do one of 2 things with these. You could use these as placemats, or you could put them together like this and make a mini runner down the center of your table. So 2 placemats. So that's items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be part of your giveaway. Then we have the pumpkin that's a light blue-green ceramic pumpkin. So that will also be part of your giveaway. And then we have the dark green pumpkin, which will go nicely, which you could do if you used your placemats to make a small runner. And you can see there are dark green leaves in the placemat, in everything actually, in all the pieces, there's dark green. So this would go nicely on either the placemats or if you made a small runner, the dark green pumpkin. And then finally, we have the large orange ceramic pumpkin. All right, so we have 3 pumpkins: the large orange pumpkin, the light blue-green pumpkin, and the dark green pumpkin. We have the 2 placemats that you could use as placemats or make a mini runner down the middle of your table. Okay, don't click those together, okay? We have the 2 oven mats in the same pattern. We have the dish drying mat. And we have the 2 dish towels with the word thankful, all in the same pattern. So those are the items from the Dollar Tree that we got for our giveaway. So now we have to tell you our secret word. Where's our secret word at?
I don't know. Find it.
We don't know where oh, here it is. So the secret word that you have to use in our comment in a complete sentence in order to enter our giveaway is, are you ready to show them? Show them our secret word. What is it?
Upside down.
No, it's right side up in the movie. What is our secret word?
Orange.
Orange. Say it again.
Orange.
Orange. Okay, that's our secret word. And you have to use it in a complete sentence in the comment, in a comment down below, in order to win our giveaway. So, just like the pumpkin, what color is that pumpkin?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, put it down so we don't break it. So, if you want to enter, be sure and be publicly subscribed to all the channels, watch all the videos, comment on all the videos. If you want to win their giveaway, you have to use their secret word or phrase.
Or passwords.
Or, that's right, or phrase. And we wish everyone a good luck. We thank you all for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this. And what do we want to say? Be sure if you enjoyed our video, give us a thumbs up. Watch the playlist. All of us will be on the playlist, and that way all the videos will be very short, so be sure and watch the videos, right? Give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.